Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, September the 8th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru, but you are interested in this one. Yes, the binary puzzle number 7062. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here in the second row, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And between O, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here in this row, so the rest are O's. And double O, here one, there one. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. A tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.